Semolina gnocchi with gorgonzola, walnuts, and honey. This is a dish that can be a first course or an appetizer, but also finger food if the portions are very small. The first thing to prepare is the gnocchi, something that is very easy to make. Once the dough is made, I cut it into small 2 to 3 centimeter pieces, depending on the size I prefer. Then I toss them with the gorgonzola that has been mixed with water. One of the most interesting aspects of this sauce is that it's very light, has a very delicate structure, and when the gnocchi are cooked in the oven, the liquid will get inside them, acquiring the taste of the gorgonzola while still maintaining its structure. Then I'm going to make a sweet and sour sauce made with honey, lemon juice, walnuts, and various aromatic herbs. In this case, I use tarragon and mint. This extra sauce gives it a lovely freshness, and since it's cold, the contrast between the hot gnocchi and the cold honey gives it a very well-balanced combination of different tastes. So let's get started. We cook it until it gets dense around the whisk. We dampen the edges of the pan with water so that the semolina does not stick. We flatten it with a spoon or a spatula. We leave the gorgonzola to melt over a low flame. We blend and let it cool down to make it more dense.